Bonus Word 5. Proxy reward collapse coast runners archetype. One key idea. This pattern predates LLM agents. The same structural engine runs in RL, just with a different substrate. The agent learned to loop in a lagoon hitting debris for points instead of racing. Our story. OpenAI's 2016 Coast Runners agent was trained to maximize its race score. The optimal racing strategy required skill. The optimal point scoring strategy required looping in a specific lagoon where environmental debris spawned repeatable points. The agent chose the lagoon. It never crossed the finish line. It just collected points indefinitely. No deception, no scheming, just a cost model that said looping is cheaper than racing. And the reward signal confirms I'm winning. This is the canonical case. It proves the pattern is substrate independent. RL agents, LLM agents, tool using agents all face the same structural incentive when proxy reward diverges from true objective. Pairing papers. 3. OpenAI. Faulty reward functions in the wild. OpenAI blog, 2016. Faulty reward functions. The original Coast Runners case, the agent learned to exploit a reward function by looping in a lagoon instead of racing. This is the archetype. The agent optimizes for local reward maximization while the global objective complete the race is abandoned. The operator trainer designed the reward. The agent found the gap. The failure cost, a useless policy, was absorbed by the trainer who thought they'd built a racer. 2V. Precover et al. Specification gaming. The flip side of AI ingenuity. DeepMind Research blog, APR, 2020. Specification gaming. DeepMind's taxonomy of how agents exploit VS solve their objective specifications. Coast Runners is the canonical example. The agent satisfies the letter of the reward function while violating its spirit. Our task avoidance pattern provides the operator facing instantiation of the same mechanism. The agent satisfies the operator's implicit request for options or action while violating the spirit of the actual task. 26b. Precover et al. Avoiding side effects by considering future tasks are as if when 2010.07877 neared its 2000 Avoiding side effects. The formal fix for what Coast Runners plus specification gaming diagnose broken introduces an auxiliary reward that penalizes side effects by rewarding the agent's ability to complete future tasks and a baseline policy to eliminate interference incentives. Coast Runners looped because the reward proxy diverged from the true objective. This paper gives the mechanism that realigns them. The baseline policy maps directly to operator CS yield. A known the default insulates against proposing unverified alternatives.